Imagine a magical mixture spray that is an excellent all-arounder, effective against aphids, whiteflies, thrips, snails, and slugs. The magical mixture spray effectively repels a variety of pests, keeping your garden in good health. It is an environmentally friendly alternative that reduces the need for harmful chemical insecticides. This spray is simple to make at home using common ingredients. Its natural ingredients are safe for plants, animals, and humans. Furthermore, it promotes plant growth by repelling pests without harming beneficial insects. To make this a magical spray, first gather 15 to 20 garlic cloves and 25 to 30 chili peppers. Cut the chilies into small pieces. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a naturally occurring compound that deters a variety of pests. Capsaicin produces a spicy environment that pests like aphids, whiteflies, and thrips dislike. Now crush the garlic. Garlic is another strong ingredient. It contains sulfur compounds that are effective insect repellents. Many pests, including snails and slugs, dislike garlic due to its strong odor and taste. These sulfur compounds also have antifungal properties, which can help your plants avoid fungal infections. Next, add the chopped garlic and chilies to 2 liters of warm water. Then add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid to the water. Allow everything to sit for at least 2 hours after thoroughly mixing it together. The longer you leave it sitting, the more powerful the mixture will become. After the mixture has had time to sit, strain it to remove any solids. Pour the strained liquid into a spray bottle, and your magical mixture spray is ready for use. This spray can be stored for up to 2 weeks, so make a large batch and use it over time. When you're ready to use it, spray it generously on your tomato, cucumber, and pepper plants. The dishwashing liquid is critical to the spray's effectiveness. It acts as a surfactant, allowing the mixture to adhere to the leaves of the plants more effectively. This ensures that the active compounds in the chili and garlic remain on the plant surfaces for longer periods of time, increasing their effectiveness. The soap also aids in breaking down the protective outer layer of soft-bodied insects such as aphids, causing them to dehydrate and die. Using this magical mixture spray, you can naturally and environmentally protect your plants from a wide range of pests. This method does not use harmful chemicals, so it is safer for you, your family, and the environment. If you found this guide useful, please share, like, and subscribe for more gardening tips.